Hey everybody, and welcome to another CRICUT craft tutorial. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Just hit that big red button that says subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon because that will let you know when I post a new video. I post videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus live video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to foil on paper. And you only need a couple of things to do this. You'll need a laser printer, which you can get fairly cheap, and I will link a nice one below. You'll need a laminator, which is also fairly inexpensive, and I will link one below as well. And then you just need some paper and foil. Really easy to do. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love how they came out. So we can actually go from this plain black hot air balloon to these beautiful, bright, sparkly, foiled balloons in just a few minutes, and it's super easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get over to the workspace. Foiling paper is actually super easy, and all you need is a laminator, a laser printer, and some foil, and you can make something just as beautiful as this. So what we'll do is we've heated up our laminator. This is a Swingline Fusion 1000L. I don't know if they make this one anymore, but I will link one that is comparable below if they don't. So what I've done is I've printed out my design onto just regular paper. You could use cardstock if you wanted to. I just had regular paper. And then all you're going to do is place your foil, which is going to be color side up, onto your design. And then you simply feed it through. Now you want to make sure that your foil doesn't wrinkle or move. So I like to hold my foil until I'm 100% sure it's all the way through my machine. And you just kind of guide it the whole way as much as you can, just to eliminate as many wrinkles as you can. Because where it's going to, if it wrinkles, it's going to end up not adhering to your paper. I do have one spot on the one that I did, this one, where it did have a little bit of a wrinkle, but it actually looks kind of cool, so it's fine. It's not the end of the world, and it does take a little bit of practice to try to make sure that you get this through without a million wrinkles. But as soon as it comes out the other side, you're going to let it feed itself, and it does feed pretty slowly, but it's totally fine. And once it's fed itself all the way through, let it cool for just a moment. And this is nice because it's pretty much cool right off the bat, but I do like to just double check, make sure it's fully cool. And just like when you do them on shirts, you're going to find a corner, and you're just going to peel it right off. Now you can see I did get a couple little bit of wrinkles, but otherwise it is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, it just does take some practice, and this is an old laminator. We've been using it for a really long time, and it probably could use a nice new laminator. But that is that one. And then we did it with like a holographic, which I thought was super pretty. We did this one, which I love. It's holographic, but you can see there's a little wrinkle right there on the side. And then we have our green one, which came out beautifully. So it's just a matter of kind of taking your time and figuring out how to do this. But again, all you need is some foil. This is the Starcraft foil from 651 vinyl. I'll link these below. They come in like a zillion colors. They're really pretty. You need some cardstock or paper. It can be any kind that you want. A laser printer, and then a laminator. And you can see how easy this was to do and how beautiful they came out. The nice thing is you could make pictures with this. You could use this for cards. You could use this on Christmas invitations, for parties. Lots and lots of really fun stuff that you can do with your foiled paper. And you can even cut around it to make it like really different and glue it to something. It's just all what you want to do with it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus live video. If you are interested, my Facebook group is linked below. We would love to have you join. We do a lot of really fun things in the group, and it is just a good time to get to know you, hang out with you guys. It's a lot of fun. I hope you guys had so much fun checking out how to foil paper. Have a great day, and happy crafting.